Okay, I've showed you some desktop-based software. I wanted to show you a tablet-based software as well. Now, this is useful for smaller places, such as this was done for a drive-through coffee place. There are some smaller food places like food trucks, or even a pop-up clothing store where this kind of system can be really useful. So let's get into it. So here on the screen, you can see that there's small squares, and if you hold onto each square, you can customize things. So you can move them across and arrange it. So it's quite easy to rearrange and edit this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a cappuccino, and in the cappuccino, these are the things called modifiers. So I'm going to choose a medium-sized cappuccino, let's say soy milk, because that's the way we're going these days, 2 sugars, and I'm going to click save. Let's say with food, I might have a cheese toasty and I might have a ham and cheese as well. Next, what I can do is I can either save this order or I can charge it directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it directly. Let's say I've got $20 cash, and what I've got here is I've got the coffee order. So this is for the kitchen that prints out straight away. Here you can see the coffees, the cappuccino with the modifiers, the cheese toasty, and the ham and cheese. And if the customer asks for a receipt, which not a lot of people do these days, but you can simply click print receipt, and the receipt here comes up. You can have the logo at the top if you like, and it'll give you an itemized bill with the prices next to it as well. So in terms of functionality, it doesn't have a lot of features, but it's super easy to use. So over here, we've got customers that we can add to it as well. We can do pickup, delivery, we can save their details in the system as well. But one of the cool things about this software is the back office is actually on the internet, so you can access it from pretty much anywhere. So why don't we jump on the computer and see what the back office looks like. Okay, so in the back office now we can see all our reports. So we can actually see things, the sales by item, by category, by employee, by payment time. We'll just go sales by item, and obviously we haven't done a lot of transactions here, but it's come up here as cheese toasty, you've got ham and cheese, and you've got that cappuccino. So it really breaks down your sales into your categories, which is really important, and you can access it from pretty much anywhere. You can add in your items from the back end as well. So if we go here, you can change the prices, you can create the margins and things like that. You've got your employees and your customers that you can track here as well. So it's a very handy tool to be able to access this from other places. But again, this type of software will be suitable for certain types of businesses. If you have any questions, if you're not sure if this is the right one for you, or if you should go for the desktop-based one, I definitely recommend getting in touch with us, and we'd be happy to point you in the right direction.
Broken Hotel, we're looking for a POS system. We looked around a few places and come across Kern on Facebook, and it's very easy to deal with. Put in a good system, easy for me because I'm a bit of a 69 model, so bought a new pencil sharpener. And been very good to deal with and honest, and when he said he was bringing, I think he bought a bit more, to be honest. Very good.
Thank you. Why were you looking for a system?
To make things easier and run smoother, and so you can keep track of things a bit better, and just a few things like that, I guess.
What kind of issues were you finding when you were looking for a system for yourself?
Mainly price.
Yeah.
So, you go to the people that are paying rent and everything else, they want a lot of money for it. And through you, it was a lot cheaper and very good to deal with.
Cool. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
That's good, mate. Thank you.